gifted crafters, welcome to the new year. As I said in my last video, we have some amazing things coming. So it's time to pack it, store it, and start with a blank slate. So let's get going. Welcome to the new year. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Nancy with GiftsHQ. Please consider subscribing. I can't believe it. We reached 300 subscribers so fast. Thank you, everyone. I truly appreciate it. And as you can see, we're starting off with a blank slate. And I have to get started decorating for the new year. So I went to my local store and I want to share my Dollar Tree haul to help spice up my workplace. Now let's get on with this. Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so this is what I got. Let's start off with a couple of the items. One of the first items I got are these super cute little bookcase type things. Comes with a really cute little ribbon on it. I think it's really adorable. Something that you can just kind of put to the side of your bookshelf and just makes it look like a cute decoration. Or what you can do is just kind of paint over it and just make it your own. Customize it however you see fit. They have one here that has hugs and kisses, love you always, and then the second one that says love bug, cutie pie, sweetheart. I think they're super adorable, so I think this will be a cute item to add. Let's look at some other stuff. One of the other things that I've seen are these decorative shreds. They have them in white, and I believe that I picked up a couple of other ones that I'll show you. Then we have this jumbo craft heart, something that I could see putting together and embellishing with little flowers or ribbon or fabric. Something that will be really cute on a basket, or maybe doing a little flower stand with it. Something that people will just enjoy. Another thing I found are some of these window clings. I thought they were pretty neat. You can really embellish this on a vase or glass or something that you're working on that has a clear background. Here's a sign that I thought was really nice. It has a really decorative siding of wood, and it has a clear matte finish in the back of white, and then it has a red heart with a little bit of glitter on it. Makes it really cute. Something you can kind of hang on the wall, or you can use this and customize it yourself by just painting over it and making it your own. Let's see, the next item we have is another hanging. It says home and it has a little heart, something that you can paint. You can also do some decoupage on there, but I just thought that this was something really neat to add to the side on a wall or just really sitting on a shelf. This is one I think a lot of people have seen often, just a cute little heart. There's just so many things that you can do with this. You can paint on it, you can just decorate on there, putting ribbons, other types of embellishments, an easy decoration. You can hang it or easily take off the little string that comes on here, and then you can just make it your own. Here's something that I thought was super adorable. Something that I think is new this year at the Dollar Tree. Has a little envelope with some polka dots, a little plaid on the background, little twine here to hang, and it comes with a little note that says sealed with a kiss. You can add some notes, put it inside, and just kind of hang this on your wall. I found these basket bags. I think they're pretty useful when you're making gifts for someone. You can just kind of make the basket and then put it in these clear bags. Comes with little ties inside. Really neat. There's about 2 pieces to the pack, so great item to have. Very handy when you're putting together a gift for someone. Some of the embellishments I got come 2 pieces or 2 bows in the pack. Has a little bit of a glitter on it. I think it would really neat to add to a gift. Here's another wall hanging. Has the little twig. This is a little bit small, but it has like a little pocket, and you can kind of add some flowers to hang out through here. You can paint it. Has a little love in the very top of the sign. Super, super cute, or you can leave it as it is. Some of the embellishments that I got were some ribbons, and Dollar Tree is really known for a lot of their ribbons. So here's some of the ones that I found that were kind of Valentine related, like this pretty red, has a little glittery color. Not sure if you could see that pretty well on here. Something that I could definitely use to decorate with. Then we have this other one. It has a pink color to it, something you can definitely use if you don't want it to be quite as wide. Looks like it's pretty easy that you can kind of cut it if you want to just trim it down. They also have it in blue. And then I just got a grayish type ribbon because I thought that'll tie in with some of the things that I was thinking of doing. Here's your color your own ornaments is what they call it here. And they're just some simple cutout hearts with some twine that's included. Looks like they comes about 8 pieces in the pack. So I think that's a pretty good bargain. Once you have this, you can just kind of hang this onto the wall or add this as a decorative to your current project. Here's another ornament that I found. It has the word love you, and it's like a little stake. There's 4 pieces to the pack, and on the way it's decorated, you may want to try to paint around it, or you can just wipe out the entire thing and make it your own. Something that you can kind of stick into some type of project that you're doing. Would be super cute to kind of give it that height that you might be looking for on some of the things that you're working on. Okay, some of the other things that I found are these. They're kind of like a vase or a glass. I'm not sure which. Could be either one. But I thought this would be something really pretty that you could either decoupage on, or you can just add some color onto it that maybe you can have it as some flowers popping in, but something that's really neat to add. And what I thought as I was looking at this is that they had some of these really pretty rocks. They had this one in white. It's called Stone Pierre's Decorative Accents. They also had these glass ones. I got them in pink, also in blue, and they had a pack of red and white ones. I thought this would be a fun project you can make. Some of the other things I got are some paint. So they have the Crafter's Square paint. I've got purple, pink, and a little bit of red. It has a little bit of glitter on it. I thought this was some pretty fun colors that we could be using for our upcoming projects. So here's another fun thing that I found. These are some fabric gift bags. So if you recall, we made some Santa sacks over the holidays, and this is something Dollar Tree has for Valentine's Day. They already have some really cute pink hearts on them, but they also have the other side that is a complete blank. And you can go ahead and try to put some vinyl on here and decorate it on your own, or you can just simply leave it the way it is and just fill it up with all kinds of goodies. One of the things I noticed that Dollar Tree had are a lot of these little stuffed animals. They're called furry friends, and these come two in a pack. It says me, and the other one says you. That's something you can just stick into one of the gifts, maybe give to the kids, and I think they would enjoy it. Some of the other embellishment items that I got are these glitter tools. And I got 3 different colors. I've got red, I've got a pink and white sparkly, and this one's kind of more like a fuchsia. These are really neat colors that I think for the upcoming holidays will work really well with some of the projects that I would like to do. Some of the other embellishments are these stickers. These are just so adorable. It's something that you could use. You can kind of cut pretty easily, to measure out wherever you need it. This would be a really cute addition to any project that you have. Of course, I also picked up some sponges. These are always great to have. You do so many projects and these make it really quick and easy. I love to use these types of things. So Dollar Tree has these really cute cutouts. I thought these were super adorable. They're just the bears with these little hearts on them. You can paint them. You can do all kinds of things to decorate this. They come 1, 2, 3, 4 hanging down, and I thought that this was just adorable. Here's another one that they have. This one just says, I love you more. Something again that you can decorate with. You can embellish it, you can paint it, and just hang it. Super, super adorable. Okay, I cannot go without getting brushes. I love the Dollar Tree Crafter Score brushes. I think they're super neat. They are just really easy to use for any of your upcoming projects. I also found this, it's called a glass paintbrush, and I haven't used this yet, so this is kind of new. Looks like something that you can just brush onto any glass thing, so I think it's going to be neat. We'll see how it works out. Another cutout that they had are these really neat hearts. I thought they're kind of small, but I think it'll just add a nice decorative touch to anything that you're working on. Again, you can paint it. The edges are a little rough here, but I'll just get some sandpaper and try to sand it down, and we'll see how this turns out. One of the things that I did find is this fragrance satch. And I thought this would be pretty neat for something that I'm thinking of doing. It smells really great. So they had all kinds of different ones there. I think they were about 4 or 5 different selections that you could pick from. I just picked these orchid ones. Smells really good. There comes 2 in a pack, and it's just something that I'm going to be using for one of my upcoming projects. Okay guys, this is just another ornament that I found. I thought it was really cute. It says Happy Valentine's Day on it. Has the nice little sticks that you can kind of stick into a project, make things pop. I think this will be really nice in some of the things that I'm thinking of working on. So I couldn't go to the Dollar Tree without picking up some of their tissue paper. They have gift tissue paper, comes 24 sheets in the pack. I thought it has some really pretty colors, kind of pastel-like. And I also picked up another tissue paper that they have that was Valentines, and they have these really pretty hearts on here. These come 10 sheet in the pack, and I'm hoping I can use these for some projects as well. So here are 2 more ornaments that I got. One of them says love on it. It is red and also pink and comes 15 in a pack. Really neat. This is something that I think I could use to embellish some of my projects. I also got a pack of hearts. They come 24 in the pack, also red and pink. It's something that I'll definitely be using. And I also picked up some of these LED lights. I think this is something that you can use to embellish something inside a vase or some type of craft that you're doing to kind of just light it up. So I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll use these items to transform this room. I'll also have some crafts made and ready to show you. Thank you all for subscribing and following our journey. For those that are new, please come join us and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that bell notification because you really don't want to miss out on any of the upcoming videos. I wish you all the best and I hope to be crafting with you soon. Bye!